Well, I'm back from Cadwell on the Monday after quite a successful weekend. Well, a very successful weekend. Um, we did qualified 6th, did the first race, finished 5th, second race finished 4th, and the last race, oh no, third race finished 4th, and then the last race finished 2nd, which gave me 2nd overall, which is amazing. So Matt Robinson did extremely well, winning the every race. Unfortunately, Liam and Lee had a bit of bad luck, but you've got to finish. So yeah, trouble-free weekend. It was quite busy. We had really nice weather. Videos will be coming up soon, but I'm now back Monday afternoon, and I thought I'd just try a speeded up video of what happens when you get home after a race meeting. So we'll set the camera up here and then speed up what could be a few hours into hopefully a couple of minutes. So that's hopefully it was all speeded up and it's happened really quickly, but so after every race meeting this is what we do. It's all now obviously quite filthy, so we need to degrease it, get it all cleaned up, check all the joints, everything, rose joints, pedals, discs, brake pads, obviously replace anything that needs replacing, go through everything to make sure the next round we're all ready and hopefully don't break down. So we'll do another quick video probably about when we're washing it to join onto this one. That's it. So that's the spare engine ready to go. Obviously we've got the engine that's just done the work. It looks good inside, rich if anything, so we might be able to go slightly leaner next time, go a little bit quicker. That's it. Nice. So